Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here to review yet another book for you, and the book we are going to review today is Super Worm. Let us check out the book right now. So as the book is titled Super Worm, it's all about the super worm. Okay, on the right hand corner, if you can see, by the creators of the Gruffalo. The author is Julia Donaldson. You can see this is the front cover page. It's got the super worm, a green background, grass, and it's very colorful, so your kids will definitely like this. Now let's see what's in the inside. Again, the first page says super worm, and it's got the super worm picture. By Julia Donaldson, the author, illustrated by Axel Scheffler, and you can see how it looks. It's a very colorful book, and the kids are definitely gonna love it because it's got so many pictures and so many insects. So along with the super worm, they will get to learn about other insects too, the names of the insects, etc. So this is how the book looks. So it talks about the super worm. Okay, the first page has a small poem about the super worm, and it says, the super worm is super long, the super worm is super strong. Watch him wiggle, see him squirm. Hip hip hooray for super worm. So this is just an introduction about the super worm. And then you see the next page, it's got some frogs over there. And this book is all about how the super worm comes to help its friends in various situations. So the storybook is all about how the super worm is used or tries to save his friends in various ways. So you can see how he is helping the frog in this image. Then you can see over here bees, and you can see colorful pictures of flowers. So all these colors, you can teach your children different colors, you can teach them about various insects. So this book is quite interesting. The quality of the pages also are very good. It'll keep your child entertained for a very long time. This is the next picture that we have. You can see it's being used as a skipping rope. So you can also show your children this picture and tell them a little more about the skipping rope and what a skipping rope is used for. There's another story of how the super worm comes to the rescue of his friends, and this is a whale. So pages and the story is quite interesting. How the super worm is used as a fishing line to save his friend from drowning in the whale. Then you have some more pictures. Then the evil one, or the crow, and the lizard are plotting against the super worm. So as you explain it to your child, the child is going to be more and more interested, because this is how the crow has come and taken this super worm in its beak. So the pictures are very, very interesting, and it will keep your children glued on to this. There you go with the lizard. So this is how it works. There's a picture of the lizard, of the crow, of the frogs. So everything about the super worm is mentioned in this book. Various other insects, you can see so many insects out here. So it's completely full of colors, and kids really love different colors, so you can also explain to your kids, show them the colors, tell them about the insects, tell them about the lizard. So it looks out here. I'm just flipping on the pages to show you how beautiful this book looks. This book is easily available on Amazon, so you can purchase it from there. It was first published in the UK. So there are many other books as well by Julia Donaldson, and some of them are here mentioned in this. On the last page of this book, there are books like Monkey Puzzle, The Gruffalo, Tiddler. You can see all these variety of books that are available that can help you. If you like this one book, then you can go on for the other options that are available as well and check them out too. And this is the last page of this book. So there's a website as well, which is gruffalo.com. You can, as I mentioned, you can easily get this book from Amazon. We have many other books that we have in store that we will be reviewing, guys. So keep watching this channel for more, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and also click on the icon. Watch the space for more videos as we review some more books for you.